we are going to study about generators in Python. Generators functions basically return you the iterable object with the help of yield keyword. Uh, uh, Iterable object with the help of yield keyword. Now we have created here the one function which has four uh, yield statements, and every time it will return you updated value. Basically, when we create the function with the help of return keyword, it basically behave like normal and return you string object, dictionary, etc. But when we use the yield keyword in a function, it basically return you the iterable value object with the help of generators, and that's function called generator function. I have created here the one function a. It has four values. uh, I, when we print the I variable, you can see it is the generator generator object, and every time it return you the new value with the help of iteration. uh, Basically, if you know the basic Python, you can print this value I with the function next function. But when you try to print this fifth time, then it will give you the an error. Sorry, I didn't save the it will return you the stove illustration error, because there is only four yield keyword and you have already used 4 time. It's behave like first time it's call, it will create the memory. uh, uh, it will create this object in a memory. Every single time when you call the next function, it will return using one by one value. We will look into the live example with the help of your generators. Let's create a list which has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, something like that. Let me create the one function. mm, Num is less than and equal to uh, break value. Num break yield I num plus 1 a list, sorry, x a, call the function 0 to 10 time. So 1 to 10 time. Sorry, I didn't print that. Here you can see the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 time. I have used the list, and this one is I have iterate all value in the list, and it will store in a x variable. uh, one one another example we can use, live example, so you can use in your project also. uh, suppose suppose you have date time object, today date, and you want the next 10 days date. So we can create the function with the help of a today. How many numbers of days do you want? While true, okay. uh, Today plus date time dot date time dot days 1. Okay, and num plus 1. Okay, and if uh, num I is greater than and equal to num, then break. So you call this function in a list also. A today date time dot date time dot now dot date um, and how many days do you want? Today is 30 days. Let's suppose 13 days. You can print the x value. None type object is not retrievable. Let's suppose today date. Date is 30. List for x in a today number of 10 print x. None type object is not retrievable. Why so? Oh, sorry, I didn't use the yield keyword today. This one is mandatory, so you can use it list a dot today number of 30. You didn't print it. Date time object next year. So this one is a live example with the help of yield keyword, so you can generate it like that.